Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? Oh my god, I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but I have some pretty exciting news for you guys today. So I was thinking, I'm making a lot of purchases from Coach recently, and I wanted to try my hand at doing a little mini series. And so it hit me, let me show you guys what I've bought and kind of like the reasoning behind it, and me dressing up my bags and my purchases and the SLGs, and it be centered around Coach, like 10 days of Coach, and share it with you guys in the form of like a mini series. Because honestly, that's been the sole brand that I've been purchasing from for the last like several months. And that's the only brand that's piqued my interest in terms of design, like price point, value for money, and just like having fun, you know? So yeah, and I decided to kickstart by showing you guys something obviously I've never shown here before. It is one of my very first Coach purchases when I was young, when I was in high school to be exact. In 2005, I purchased this item with my own money that I made from working at Cold Stone, the ice cream shop. And I went all the way down to the Coach store and I purchased it. So let me reveal what I have here. Of course, this is a new Coach bag. I needed to put it in something, but the item in there is very much vintage because it's officially 20 years old. So let's get into it. So here she is, my very first Coach purchase. Oh my God. This brings back so many memories. I can't even. I kind of just dug this up recently, and even just looking at it now, I'm like, wow, this is so nostalgic. So this is a wristlet which was very much popular back in 2005, and I wore this all the time. As you can see, it has quite a bit of wear on the leather. It even has like some of the thread that's coming loose, which I probably maybe even take it to the Coach store because I know they do like a refresh or something like that. They have a program. Man, I totally remember having my eye on this particular style, mainly because I wanted the Louis Vuitton Steven Sprouse wallet with the graffiti. And I'm like, okay, this is as close as I can get to it. Because you see how it has like Coach written here, and it's like it's kind of like the graffiti print. It also has monogram all over it, and it's black and cream, I'd say, or black and ivory maybe. It was just so striking to me. Okay, so the zipper is a little like, it sticks a little bit because of, I guess, how old it is. And oh my god, guys, do not judge me, but yes, it's used. All right, that's enough of that. I gotta get it cleaned. And yeah, I just love this. I love that I found this at this exact time where my love for Coach is like resurfacing. But yeah, I definitely remember seeking this out, going to the store, calling them beforehand and making sure that they had it. And then I drove down there um and purchased it. And it was such a fun like little purchase. The sales associates were super nice, and I was just so happy to like rock this. But yeah, it definitely was a Louis Vuitton Steven Sprouse. I don't want to say inspired, but this is what filled the void for me because I could not afford Louis Vuitton when I was in high school, and my parents were definitely not purchasing that for me. So this is what came of that. I'm so glad I still have this. And yeah, so this is why I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a tribute to Coach, because the fact that I've had this piece for 20 years, it just speaks to the quality of it, and I guess like my love for it. So that's the plan, guys. Stay tuned for a video of my very first unboxing. It'll be day one of 10 days of Coach, and as you see, I have all my tchotchkes. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.